Bayer hosted the preliminary judging for the Design Innovation in Plastics 2012 competition on Tuesday, March the 13th at its UK headquarters in Newbury, Berkshire. 94 entries from 13 universities across the UK and Ireland were received and judged by a panel of industry experts. The 2012 brief, Universal Design, required students to create an innovative product for people with disabilities, but which could also meet the needs of the general population. As the competition title suggests, a wide range of polymeric materials could be used in the project. The designs had to show an understanding of physical or cognitive impairment, as well as how to create a design that is innovative, functional, and universally appealing. Students also had to consider sustainability guidelines of reducing, reusing and recycling, as well as overall economic and social considerations. But above all, the design had to be innovative and original. The team of judges spent the morning going through the entries, whittling them down to the final 6.
The judges are looking for the students taking on the brief, reading the brief, understanding the brief and delivering against it. This year we're looking at an all-inclusive brief. The generations are getting older, there's a lot more young people, and we're looking for products to help people with ailments to improve their living standards and their life. The quality of entries this year are far better than we had last year. Obviously the universities have read through the brief, communicated to the students, and the students have actually risen to the challenge that we've placed them with. Why do we give feedback to the students? We think it's important. They've gone so far, we feel they can improve their designs. So what we're looking for on the day of the final judging is for them to come along prepared with models, etc., so we can visualise what they're trying to put over and get more detail around their designs.
As biomaterial science, our involvement is to try and promote the plastics that we produce, polyurethanes, polycarbonates, but not exclusively. We know there are other plastics, but obviously our biomaterial science main aim is to promote sort of products that we sell and put into the marketplace. For these interesting designs of new applications, or hopefully new applications or innovative applications in line with the brief for the design awards. I'm looking for some sort of originality, obviously to match the brief, that it can be used by people with various impairments, but also can be used by people who don't have these impairments and everything. A good use of plastics, consideration as to how it's been produced, sustainability, and interest. It'll be of interest to the marketplace and everything at the end.
It's always a stunning thing to come along here, because I'm not a very creative person. I'm an engineer and a businessman, and I love it when I come along and see dozens of really innovative design work done by young people and designers, and it actually gives you a flavour that there is hope for manufacturing design in the UK, and partially that's what this competition is designed to foster.
The 6 finalists will be announced shortly and will meet again with the judges at the final judging session on the 25th of May at the British Plastics Federation in London. The 2012 Design Innovation in Plastics Award will take place on Friday the 29th of June at the headquarters of the IOM3 in London.